Hello guys, let's learn the colors with alphabets. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Light blue color, dark blue color, green color, violet color, pink color, red color, dark green color, orange color, yellow color, brown color. A for apple. A for apple. B for banana. B for banana. B for banana. C for car. C for car. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for grapes. G for grapes. H for horse. H for horse. I for ink. J for juice. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for next. O for orange. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sun. S for sun. T for train. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y means yak. Z for zebra. Red color. Z black color, brown color, orange color, green color, yellow color, purple color, light pink color, dark pink color, blue color, red color. 2 number, orange color. 3 number, yellow color. 4 number, green color. 5 number, 6 number, pink color. 6 number, 7 number, dark pink color. 8 number, purple color. 9 number, brown color. 10 number, black color.